Luxury, performance, and technology, all wrapped into one bold package. Say hello to the 2026 Acura MDX, Acura's flagship SUV that's more refined and powerful than ever before. But is it truly worth the hype, or the hefty price tag? Let's find out. Hey everyone, welcome back to Cars View channel. Today, we're diving deep into the brand new 2026 Acura MDX. We're covering everything: its striking new design, next-level tech features, what's under the hood, how much it'll cost you, and even a few potential red flags. Buckle up, this ride's gonna be a good one. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 MDX has undergone a subtle yet effective design refresh. Acura's Diamond Pentagon grille has been sharpened, flanked by sleeker jewel-eye LED headlights. The body lines are sculpted with precision, giving it a commanding road presence without being over the top. Out back, the LED tail lamps are now slimmer, and there's a redesigned bumper with integrated exhaust finishers that give it a sporty edge. Optional 21-inch alloy wheels with a dark gloss finish make a bold statement. And if you're wondering, yes, it's available in Type S form, and yes, it looks even more aggressive. Step inside and you're greeted by a cabin that rivals many European competitors. Acura has upped their game with premium materials, think open-pore wood, brushed aluminum, and Milano leather seats. It's elegant without feeling overly flashy. You get a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a new 12.6-inch curved infotainment screen, finally touch-sensitive, a huge improvement from the outgoing touchpad interface. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa are standard. Under the hood, you have two engine options. The standard 3.5-liter V6 pushes out 290 horsepower and 267 lb-ft of torque, paired with a 10-speed automatic. But if you want thrills, the MDX Type S packs a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 making 355 horsepower and 354 lb-ft. Acura's SH-AWD system distributes torque like a pro, giving you confident handling on twisty roads or slick conditions. And the adaptive air suspension on the Type S? It's smooth, refined, and even lets you raise or lower the ride height. The 2026 MDX starts at around $52,000 for the base trim and climbs up to $73,000 for the fully loaded Type S Advance. Available trims include the base, technology, A-Spec, Advance, and the high-performance Type S. Yes, it's a lot of money, but when you consider everything you're getting in terms of luxury, tech, and performance, it still undercuts many rivals like the BMW X5 or Mercedes GLE. But it's not perfect. The new touchscreen is way better, but still not as intuitive as some competitors. Also, that third row? Still a bit tight. And while the MDX is reliable, early adopters of new tech features might encounter software bugs or quirks. So, should you buy the 2026 Acura MDX? If you're after a stylish, tech-packed, and well-built luxury SUV that won't cost you a six-figure sum, the MDX is a top contender. Just be ready for a few compromises here and there. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe for more car reviews, and let me know in the comments, would you pick the MDX over a Lexus RX or BMW X5? See you in the next video.